coverage, it's not too strong, but it's like a soft satin sheen, soft matte, but it's dewy, it's glowy, it's fluffy, it's skin and all. It's great up close online, but it's not practical. It's not real life. Like, you really can't step out with that. I was really inspired by the Cloud Skin. I just found it a lot more real. Micro habits, small little habits. So if you don't have time to do your hair, do your makeup. Welcome back, all my fellow hippies. Thank you for joining me. So today I found another cool new trend, getting into all these makeup trends now. So this one has been out for a while. It's called Cloud Skin. So they're saying it's like a soft matte, that there is a bit of coverage. And the whole time I was doing it, all I could think about was, does anybody else remember Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse, that foundation? That's literally the same effect that they're doing, that it has coverage, that it's not super glowy, it's not like satin skin or the glass skin. It's like you mattify the T-zone, but you hydrate the skin really well underneath. So I'd say it's all about like getting a really good primer and really hydrating the skin. And so the way I tried to recreate it was like a glowy base foundation, but then to use on the T-zone or the more areas that need more like mattifying, to use an actual mattifying foundation to actually mix the two. So it does give a really nice like coverage. It's not too strong, but it's like a soft satin sheen, soft matte, but it's dewy, it's glowy, it's fluffy, it's soft, but it has coverage. That's what they're trying to do, I think. So Cloud Skin, just that it's all about the foundation and not so much the eyes or lips, or it's not so much about colour. It's more about having like not dewy skin, but just really healthy skin, but even skin tone, and matte where it's meant to be matte, but not completely like a cakey and heavy makeup either. So I think it's like the best of both, because dewy and shiny, like it's lovely in photos and glass skin and all. It's great up close online, but it's not practical. It's not real life. Like, you really can't step out with that. So as in long term, throughout the day, it gets really too shiny, you know. So this Cloud Skin, I feel, is very durable throughout the day. It suits most skin types, because most people have a little bit of natural oil and sheen, and you want that kind of around the cheeks and the eyes, and you want your skin to look healthy and moisturised and glowing, because all that hyaluronic acid is all in at the minute. All that L'Oreal, these serums are in. Healthy skin, and I feel this is a really versatile look, and I think it's a good everyday makeup, but it's like a good, like, you feel really finished, and you feel like you've put on a good bit of makeup. You feel like you have a good, really nice makeup that day. So what I'm trying to been embracing lately, I've been watching a lot of these videos. It's like, oh, here's Alana saying hello. And Alana's gotten into like kiddies makeup. It's meant to be kids friendly, so it's all just cute and innocent, I think, at that age. She's just copying what she's seeing, so I think it's quite harmless. I know some people are, oh, you can't be putting makeup on kids, but I do tell her, I'm like, you're lovely, you're gorgeous. It's just a bit of colour. It's like face paint. It's like it's fun, I think. And into all these with femininity, they were saying, instead of doing a full makeover every day, do you know how a lot of mums, instead of wearing just tracksuits and like really sloppy leggings, and not that that's sloppy, it's just quite casual, that it's not like I personally don't feel that good. I feel like the more effort you put into your outfit, the better you feel. Gives you kind of confidence, and it just gives you, like, if you practice that and do that every day, you get into the habit and you get to see what outfits suit you. So I think it's the same with makeup. If you get into the habit of putting on a bit of makeup every day, it's like these femininity videos, a lot of them are all to do with micro habits, small little habits. So if you don't have time to do your hair, do your makeup. If you don't have time to do your full face, makeup, do your nails, have your nails done, or go get like gel polish on your nails that they're like practical and they're done, so, and get a nice neutral colour so it lasts and you can get away with a week or two of it growing out. Like, just really like practical investments in yourself. So I think that's why I really was drawn to this cloud skin trend, is that it's a really versatile makeup that if you don't have your hair done or you're not feeling your clothes that much, that your thing can be you have your makeup done that day. So all these femininity makeup habits, it's like elegance, it's a level up. Not that you constantly have to be striving to be better, but you can do little things that just make you feel put together, make you feel classy, and all that has a really positive mental impact. But I find personally, try it out yourselves, tell me what you think. If you've tried this and you compare it to not doing these little micro habits, like femininity is all about looking after yourself, investing in yourself, holding yourself in high esteem. And to some people, if you don't understand the psychology about it, it's really can come across very superficial. But I think there's just so much more depth to it. Our habits are an expression of our internal beliefs. So yeah, this is about habit building and small little things you can do. Not everything has to be a drastic makeover. Not everything has to be a full-blown level up and glow up. Like, if you're busy and you're a mom, you don't have the mental energy to invest in all that. Sometimes it's about getting out the door and throughout the day. And yes, I'm sitting down here and taking the time out to make this video and put on the makeup and blending in a bit of concealer here and like taking my time to blend it. But overall this can be done much quicker and in like 10 minutes. And yeah, I want no harm letting Alana see like a little bit how it's done. That's how you learn, like, I think, just by observing and by doing. So you have a space in your home that is like your sanctuary, your place to get ready, that you have it designated. Like, of course you're going to be stressed if your wardrobe's all messy and it takes forever to put it together, an outfit. You don't have like what they call a mom uniform. Like, oh, I always wear a t-shirt and a skirt and runners. Do you know? And then when you go to your wardrobe, like, you wear that with a cardigan. Like, you're not you're just picking colours and whatever colours suit your mood that day. That you just have 3 cardigans, 4 t-shirts, 2-3 skirts that you swap out, like, you know, and you can wear the same skirt. Like, people don't notice. Wear the skirt and then change the top. We need a bit more efficiency especially when you're moms or when you're a bit older, so you get to learn your style, you get to learn what suits you. So like, I just like wearing a dress because it's like it's like the outfit's done, whole outfit, and then it's just matching shoes. And so if I try get nice wrap dresses that suit me. What do you guys like wearing every day? Are you more leggings and jumper? I'm not hating on people with leggings, they're so comfortable. I've seen a lot of videos like where you wear like elevated casual, they call it. So that's a real style, where you wear a nice coordinated matching tracksuit or like sports lounge wear, but you do your hair and your makeup and you have a bit of jewellery on and still run around the park. You can still be practical and you can still go to your yoga class in the evening. Anybody out there do like dresses? I find there's a real gap in the market for like practical long wearing dresses like that. Like, bring back the little uniform. Besides wearing an apron and being that old fashioned, I just really miss like a lot of fashion. The dresses are, oh, that's occasion wear going out, and I find a dress a lot more practical. It's one piece of clothing you have to think about. You can see this superficial little trend, but I think it's an expression of a bigger movement that's going behind, that we want that all this like glass skin and glowy skin and that's all great, but is it practical? Is it real life? Is it doable? So authentic. We want real. We want you don't want stage lighting and close-ups. Like, that's not real life. You want makeup that works day to day, that lasts, but still looks balanced. It's all about balance, I think. Like, you want the glowy and the healthy. You want the makeup to enhance your skin. Very little blush. Like, I barely use bronzer, contour. It's like you're leaving out all those steps. You don't need to define. It's about a diffused look. It's almost like putting on a filter on your face for real life. Women are taking back their power with all this social media, all this it's high maintenance, a lot of these looks and a lot of this makeup. So I was really inspired by the cloud skin. I just found it a lot more real. Use makeup as a tool. It's such a versatile tool. Like, some people get their hair done, they get their nails done, some people get their makeup, some people they're into their perfume. So I was doing a bit of research, and it seems like it's all about the base. Moisturize really well, use a serum, hydrate, make it really plump. Anything with hyaluronic acid plumps, attracts moisture from the air to your skin and holds it in your skin. So try look for products like that. Have a really good base. You can even get primers that practically do this, or a tinted moisturizer is really good. Bring back those BB, CC creams. All those are like creating this veil, this base for you, this even skin tone, but still letting your natural freckles and natural imperfections shine through. That it's not a mask, you're just enhancing what's already there. And then use soft colors like brown to define eyebrows and around the eyes. And then when it comes to put on a glowy kind of sheen foundation underneath, and then use in your T-zone area, which is imagine a T written across your forehead and then down to your nose and chin. Most people get shiny across there. If your skin is bone dry, focus more on the glowy, get foundation with a bit of shimmer in it, with a bit of built-in pearlescent kind of colour. But then at the end, to get that cloud skin effect, it's a soft matte. So do use the powder, the mattifying powder, to set your makeup around the nose, the chin, those areas, the forehead, in between the eyebrows. Those are the areas along the front of the cheeks where you get your pores, where it tends to get shiny. And that will make your makeup last all day. The powder will set it. So you always do more liquidy products first, and then do more powder-based products at the end. And that's how you set your makeup. It means just setting just means that it stays all day. And I found this cloud makeup skin really lasted. Definitely really lasted. Long time. It's all soft, it's all diffused. You're not touching up throughout the day. You don't look like it's heavy. You can go out in the daylight, you look really well during the day, but it just looks fresh, really fresh. Best of luck with this, ladies. I hope this inspires you or guys, and we will chat to you soon. Bye.